Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use max particles in Pokémon Go. Max particles are a crucial new resource in the game, acting as a special energy currency. You'll primarily use them for two key activities. First, to engage in exciting max battles found at power spots, and second, to unlock and level up your Dynamax Pokémon's unique max moves. Understanding their function is the first step to mastering Dynamax gameplay. Collecting max particles is straightforward. The primary method is by visiting power spots, which appear as purple orbs on your map. Each interaction typically yields 120 particles. Your first daily power spot interaction may grant 200 particles. Additionally, walking 2 kilometers each day will reward you with 300 max particles. Remember, there is a daily soft cap of 800 particles you can collect. Once you have a good supply, you can use max particles to engage in thrilling max battles. To join, simply approach a power spot and pay the required particle cost, which can be around 250 for certain Pokémon. These are turn-based battles where up to 4 trainers can team up against a powerful Dynamax boss. Defeating the boss consumes your particles and offers great rewards, so strategize with your team. Beyond battles, max particles are vital for enhancing your Dynamax Pokémon's abilities. You can unlock new max moves, such as Max Guard or Max Spirit, for 400 max particles and 50 candy. To further boost their power, you can level up these moves. For instance, upgrading from level 1 to level 2 costs 600 max particles and 100 candy, making your Pokémon even more formidable in combat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.